Tony Braxton with Woman 60 imizuzu ibethile intsimbi yaka 10 o'clock sincokola no Unolali Ngalo from Unolali Concepts.
Mjeuga mafunde kule sakutsala kulisizo ngolwazi nokuxhuma Mjeuga on Matsakane exclusively on Vukani FM.
16 nesiqingatha ibethile intsimbi ka 10 o'clock sanongena masibulise sikwamkele nkosi kakhulu ngokhetha thina. You are so very much beautiful. Hayibo. Hi. Please unmute your mask. Hey. Yo.
That is very kind of you. Hi.
Are you good?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
We are also live on our Facebook Mphulaphuli. If ever mhlambi you nawe uyafuna uzibonela lento endiyibonayo apha phambi kwami, you can stream us live on Facebook at Vukani Community Radio. Sanalam, hi once again. Are you good?
Good morning. I am well, thank you. How are you?
I am good. Thank you so much for honoring the invite.
Thank you for having me. It's an honor to be here.
Pleasure. Unolali. Before sikale conversation, I wanted to talk about the word unolali. I'm sure ukhula kwakho wawubuza abazali wakho into yobana kutheni bekuthiye uba uzoba ngu-unolali. I get the nolali part. Yeah, understand. I have a friend of mine, when I was doing an intro of this interview, there is this friend of mine who is based in Cape Town. Ngunolali sitting ngunoza kaSimpisi. Okay, so we get the fact that ngunolali gama, but there is something with that you ka unolali. It's more like there is some sort of representation. Take us to eli gama lika unolali. Usuka phi unolali?
Ligama unolali ligama endaliphiwa ngabantu abadala.
Okay.
Okay. It's an echo. It's not a declaration. Okay. Nolali is a declaration. Unolali is an echo. It's an echo of who we are, the essence of Onolali. It's an echo of our identity, our awareness, our gifts, our blessings, everything that comes with the concept yokuba bomvu, holistically. So abantu get offended xa usithi ngunolali.
Yeah.
Because you are then declaring them to be something they have worked so hard to get away from. And the association with the concept is that we are less than, we are less deserving, we are less worthy. But the reality is, the ngcono part of who we are born with it. It's embedded in our DNA. So, yes, so ukuzalelwa in the most underserved communities may have an impact on how we grow up, the learning, all the circumstances, but it doesn't take away the essence, yobuthina. That's what unolali is, and that's what it means. Now, unolali is confident. Unolali is self-aware. Unolali has accepted who she is or who he is. El gamali unisex, just like nolali.
Okay.
But I am sensitive to it because there's a distinct difference, and I want people to know that. It's my name. Unathi, uti unathi. Unathi, uti nati.
Yeah.
So, unolali, the capital letter U is my name. It's very important. And the craziest thing is that In every
Yeah.
platform, I use my name, but people always spell it wrong. They always write it incorrectly, and they don't even have to think about it or remember. It's there. You can just copy it and write my name
Yeah.
correctly.
Yeah.
But holistically, that's what the name embodies,
Okay.
and it speaks directly to the work that I have come to love, the work that I do. It
Mhm,
speaks to the communities that I serve. It
mhm.
speaks to the leadership network we are trying to build as African people, but most importantly as abantu abatsha for abantu
Okay.
abatsha. Yes.
Yeah, ndiyayithanda le nto ugqiba uyithetha because iresonator kakhulu with our segment. Our segment is called Women Are. Nalapho sijonga khona amanina enza umahluko ingakumbi kwiindawo esihlala kuzo. Laa mntu sizawuthi xa sincokola naye apha eredio nathi ndiyamazi uNolali mos ngowalapha ezantsi, you understand? But uNolali wenza ntoni kule ndawo sihlala kuyo? I want us to talk about uNolali concepts ke ngoku. Kwenzeka ntoni uNolali concept?
So Unolali Concepts is a non-profit organization, right? We
Okay.
are
Yeah.
based in the Eastern Cape. Primarily, sisebenza komasipala abathathu. Sisebenza
All right.
e-BCM, sisebenza eKrizani. Krizani is home, by the way, ndingowaseQhitsi, uSofimbaba. Yes, so it's
Okay.
home. Okwesithathu sisebenza ne-Amathole.
All right.
Kakhulu sifocusa ebantwaneni abangamantombazana and young women. So adolescent girls and young women, adolescent boys and young men, women, youth, skills development. We deal with the holistic development of a human being.
Okay.
Sifocus ebantwini abatsha kakhulu kuba there's room to help them thrive. Izinto ezininzi esesidlule kuzo, safunda kuzo, akunyanzelekanga baphinde bayobetheka kuzo nabo. So we are paying forward the lessons, the journey to ensure into that they get to the next level of their growth faster. We are fast tracking. We're basically a bridge between where young people are, where there's a cloud. Remember, oonolali abaninzi have just this picture yalapha eQhitsi naseNgcobo because yitawuni esiyisebenzisayo. Omnye zange kaye naseQueenstown, zange kaye naseTsofimvaba.
Yeah.
Wazi
Yeah.
usuke ekhaya, ezinyani zilapha zikufitshane. So their image of what life is distorted based
Yeah.
on their experiences and what they are able to see. We help open up the conversation and we want them to understand ngoku bakweza ndawo bakuzo into uba life is bigger, there are opportunities out there, but most importantly, opportunities zizalwa sithi banikazi be-dreams, banikazi be-visions.
True.
So you have to nurture that. You have to understand it, you have to protect it with everything, and then get to work. That's what we do as Unolali Concepts. We get to work with schools.
Okay.
Njengasisebenza nabantu abatsha.
Yeah.
Interventions there too, they vary based on challenges zalo community okanye zeso sikolo sizawube sisebenza naso. Umzekelo, kukho izikolo eziye zithi thina sisesi sikolo eyona ngxaki yethu enkulu is teenage pregnancy. We need assistance with adolescent girls ngenxa yeso sizathu. Esinye isikolo sithi thina issue yethu is drugs and behavior. So we develop a concept around behavior change and we then implement with the relevant stakeholders kweso sikolo.
Okay.
Recently, I think from 2024, early 2024, the biggest of challenges is that sinabantwana in the leadership network. We have a leadership network kuNolali Concepts where abantu abatsha, like-minded, get to learn, grow, and experience together within the organization. Sinabantwana abagulayo njengoba ndimhle nje ndimhle ngenxa yobuhlwele bamatshawe, ubuhlwele babathembu, ubuhlwele bamatshangana. Ndingumntwana wabantu abadala. The reality is that abantu abatsha bayagula, banomshologu, and i-society ine connotations, ine reservations around lo ngulo, especially ebantwaneni abasesesikolweni, be it
Yeah.
its primary or high school going age. This comes with a lot of bullying and mental health challenges. Into esiye siyilwe ke, into esiyilwayo kukuthi nobody wants this. Akekho umuntu ofuna umshologu, akekho umuntu ofuna unxiba intsimbi at all. Akekho umuntu olalayo avuke kuthiwe uready athi yes, I want
Ready,
this.
yeah.
No. Siyanyanga xa sisenjenje.
Okay.
Siseyezeni apha.
Yeah.
Asihombanga, ayo uniform yobugqirha le, liyeza. Liyeza elifunwa ligazi. Ikhaya ke ngoku xa lindinikile ngokusesikweni ndizibeke apha enyameni, le connection
Okay.
ifunekayo iyaseveka ndiphile. So we go into the calling, siserve our lives. Ibuhlungu ke ngoba uyicacisa kanjani loo nto emntwaneni ona 15 years old,
Yeah.
ongayaziyo nayo uba kwenzeka ntoni,
Yeah.
osendlini apho nakhona kungekho mntu ukwazi ucacisa into uba kwenzeka ntoni, isuka phi le nto, because abantu look within the immediate family and say, nope, ayonto yalapha ekhaya leyo. Zange, I know my mom's side of the family, I know my dad's side of the family, we don't have that. But the reality is DNA does not lie. We are born with this. Now we try and have these interactions, these programs to say, yingulo lena, yingulo that a therapist is not going to assist with, that a medical doctor is not going to help with. No, your psychologist. Idinga intsimbi. And ayifanelanga loo nto ibakhuphe in society. Ayifanelanga loo nto ibe likroba lokuba isolate her from other children. Xa abantu abadala bengekatsho into uba umntu makayeke ufunda, they should be allowed to be at school. Umntu aqhubeke afunde. So this is part of the interventions esiziranayo as the organization. And this is our why. We want a better society. We want a better nation. And in order for us to achieve that, we need to do something about developing great people. So we are on that journey. That is the assignment.
Well, I love it. Indlela oyi-articulate ngayo. But ndiyafuna sijonge i-challenges enihlangabezana nazo. You've mentioned indaba yobana ni-intervena kwinto ze-bullying, kubhulishwa abantwana esikolweni, indaba ye-drugs, which is very much sensitive. Wazobalula indaba yokubana xa kufumaniseka into yobana umntana uzawubizwa ngabantu abadala and then kufikelele kwinto yobana kuthiwe asi-understandi thina le nto because zange yenzeka, utatomkhulu katatomkhulu zange kuthini. Ufikelele kwinkolo uNolali apho kuzawuthiwa asihambiselani thina nale nto uzawuyenza, and that affects umntana emotionally. What do you guys do in cases like that? Ni-intervene njani?
First and foremost, kukho into ekuthiwa yi-first knowledge.
Yeah.
La knowledge izandibangela into uba ndikwazi uthetha nochuma ngobuhlwele,
Yeah.
because uchuma has an idea of the concept, the first knowledge ethi umntu primarily uzalwa ngamasinga ayi-4. Uzalwa ngutatakho nomamakho, ngumama kamamakho, ngumama katatakho.
Sure.
Primarily, lo masinga anobango emzimbeni wakho, right? So, kule generation siyiyo, siyi-lineage etsala ngalo masinga mane. Then ukhangela ubuye umva into uba la masinga mane ndisuka kuwo asuka phi. Isebenza kanjalo le nto. That's how you track back. You don't just look within le ndlu yakwangalo, ngoba ndingwakwangalo mna. So awujongi apha endlini ngaphakathi. Remember, once abantu abadala balale, ayibi ngabakwangalo qha. Ayibi zizihlwele zasekhaya qha besawulala. They become abazali bakhe wonke umntu. They become abazali the nation, the African continent. So andinawubanga ndithi hayi apha endlini asiyazi le nto uzanayo. This requires awareness. So that is how we tackle it. We bring forth awareness. Sine privilege ke enkulu, and I think abantu abaninzi bayithatha kancinci le nto. I am very privileged because I am born of parents abangabantu abamhlophe. That's phambi kwayo yonke into. I am born into this. That gives me an advantage in the work that I do. Ngoba I don't want to call it a dictionary. It's a bank. I have a World Bank of African knowledge. That is Ukhilo Lezizwe, Ukumkani Ukhilo Lezizwe, which is my dad. I have Unobuchule Bezihlwele, which is my mom. I have a whole family that I am able to go back to say, yay, Ziyakhala. This is what I am encountering in the work that I do. How do I tackle this? Because ndingumntwana mna ethongweni.
Yeah.
Like, I'm a kid. But now, ndine pillars that are my parents. And loo nto indincedisa with wisdom. Abantu abadala have been so kind to me ngaloo ndlela. So I get to learn from apha ekhaya and within the communities that my parents are serving, within the work they are implementing, and then ndikwazi to integrate solutions into the challenges we encounter as Unolali concepts. So awareness. Abantu chuma cannot move, cannot be themselves, but most importantly, they cannot be free when they don't know who they are, when they have not accepted who they are, when they are not happy with who they are. Ayonto zayifundiswa eklasini ke esikolweni leyo.
Unfortunately.
Yinto zayifundiswa phaa kwamaya. Yinto zayifundisa phaa kowenu kuthiwe uyabona le ndlela ucula ngayo yindlela ukhokho walapha ekhaya wayesicula ngayo. Le ndlela unyathela ngayo xa uxhentsa njengoba ungakwazi uxhentsa njengathi uyajayiva. Obubuledi bakho kagogo. Instead of portraying only the negative things, sinesithethe esibi. So emphasize, nokupublicize, noku-honorisha i-trauma that is passed down on us as indlu kantu, as indlu entsundu. That is a problem we need to do away with. And i-awareness iyasincedisa with that. Asikwazi ukuqhubeka pusha the narrative yoba curse le. This is not a generational curse. This is a blessing. And I am ngizawukwazi uba yi-blessing le once I have the awareness yoba yintoni lena. How does this connect me nabantu basekhaya? Yes, connecta njani nabantu basekhaya? But most importantly, why me? Because ekhaya sibayi-7. And sibabini ngoku abanentsimbi. Ithi ke ngoku lento umuntu ugulela isiqu sakhe.
Yeah.
Ugulela into ubuthathe umthwalo as an individual. Ugulela into ubuyithathe irresponsibility as an individual. Ngoku izawunyanga ikhaya lonke. So awareness in everything. Once people have the awareness, bonke ubuhlungu chuma, all pain, fear, anxiety is rooted from a lack of awareness. So we prioritize that in everything. Be it we are going to have a conversation on confidence, on self-esteem, on academic excellence, on gender-based violence. Self-awareness. Awareness is the better foundation because it's ncedisa to build ukuya kule ndawo sifuna uya kuyo.
Yeah, and yes, Unolali, I love how indlela oyiveza ngayo yonke lento. Masamkele nabaphulaphula basibukeleyo pha on our Facebook page. Mizuzu i-22 phambi kobana bethe intsimbi yaka 11 o'clock. Mhlawumbe usanda ungena. Sincokola no Unolali Ngalo. She is a managing director as well as a founder at Unolali Concept. Seke ibalisile ke into yobana benza ntoni na pha Unolali Concept. Nijonga ncakasana abantwana abancinci adolescent, which is between adolescent between 12 14 before teenage kodwa. Ngabantwana abasaphansi kwesandla sabazali kakhulu abayana. Sibazisa njani abazali kwezi conversations, kwezi awarenesses sizenzayo as Unolali Concept. Sibafaka njani? Siyile esikoleni sathetha nabantwana, but umntana xa efika endlini uqhubeka experience into yobana sithe asifuni lento thina apha ekhaya. Uyabhulishwa umntana ngumzali, uyahlukumezeka, iya-affecteka i-mental well-being yomntana, which is affects i-confidence le ugqiba uyithetha, and affect i-academic excellence yomntana le ugqiba uyimenshina ngoku. So sibafaka njani abazali, siyifaka njani i-community as a whole about ezi awarenesses sizenzayo kwaba bantwana bakwi-adolescent stage? How do you do that?
I love the examples you are using because they have been the experiences they told like
Yeah.
We prioritize community. Remember, Ilali raises the child.
Okay.
That's how we groom. That's how we mentor. That's how we raise children. Yenzwa village londo. Now, in our conversations, we are very inclusive and we are intentional about it. Abazali, we have parent-child dialogues. We host them in communities, we host them in schools. And senza ngolo hlobo kuba sibaleka into yokuthi apha ekhaya ukuba abantwana bangamantombazana bakhuliselwa ukuba ngabafazi.
Yeah.
Abe Unolali Concept esithi not in this generation, that's not happening. Abantwana abangamantombazana are leaders. Abantwana abangamantombazana are whatever they want to be. They are not wives, they are full human beings. abantwana abangamantombazana ababalulekanga kancinci kunabantwana abangamadodana.
Yeah.
Abantwana abangamantombazana are humans. So we involve parents. Stakeholders zethu basi-stakeholder esibalulekileyo kakhulu, i-community and parents. So your parent-child dialogues, the community engagements we host, we
Yeah.
have iba ngathi kusembizweni, because masithi umzekelo sisebenzela phaya eChitsi, kukho ihholo lenkonzo lakwatata uNgalo that we use. Kuthi nqwadalala, kugcwala abantu abadala, kugcwala abantwana, and we are able to have those conversations. Nakwezinye communities esi-implementa kuzo, senza sure into uba abantu abadala are not left behind. Babalulekile kakhulu also because we want allies in our advocacy. We want allies ezilapha endlini full time, ezimonitor this behavior yomntwana, that are here 24/7. So it's the teacher, it's the parent, and then it's the child in the middle.
Yeah.
Abantwana abaninzi from that adolescence ukuya to 18 years, kwi-boys ke ngoku.
Yeah.
Bafundi banemfundo ethi we're gonna do what our parents were doing. We're gonna follow in their footsteps. We're gonna grow to be good boys, and then soluke, and then we're gonna be good men. You don't start being a good man once woluke. You start practicing being a good person ngoku uyinkwenkwe.
Exactly.
And then you grow in being a good person. You take a responsibility, you are accountable, and then the family honors that to say we've done a great job. Masimnyusele, ayoba yindoda. But in the process, the in-between of that is how these boys are working so hard to kill one another. It could be over umgubo, it could be over umchocho wasentonjaneni, it could be over ukungahambelani, which is the biggest element ezilalini esisebenza kuzo. Abantwana
Yeah.
abangamakhwenkwe banalo concept yongahambelani, and abalwi just to win, balwa to kill. So kubalulekile ke ngoku to bring in parents into the conversation to say, Jonga, ingomso lakho is in your hands. You have the vision, but ilapha. Akukho unolali wakwaNgalo ozawuza ayithathe then ayibeke emsebenzini. You have to be willing. You have to be prepared. You have to be ready to get into the assignment. But awuzuyenza loo nto go behind bars. Because abantu ababulala abantu in this country, they go behind bars. They stay behind
Exactly.
bars. Asikwazi uhlala nabo in our communities. So umzali ke ngoku has to be there. They need to understand this. Into uba akulinganiswa wena. Akho ngo-1970 ngoku. Ngoku nisilwa ngentonga. It's a good sport. It's an indigenous sport, and we want to preserve it as abantu abantsundu, as amaXhosa isikakhulu. But ingqanda neepeki nengcula azinawushiyeka ngemva. Andinawuzishiya pha nidlale because intonga ngumdlalo.
Yeah.
Can we advocate for that instead? So abazali are important in these conversations. Zonke akho ndawo bangadingeki kuyo okanye bangafuneki kuyo. So siyaba include ngenxa yezo zizathu.
Unfortunately, ngenxa yexesha kuzawunyanzeleka sivale. I'm enjoying this conversation. But before sivale, ndiyafuna, are there any initiatives or projects, any busy zizo at this particular moment at Unolali Concepts? 2,
Okay.
nisebenzisana with EBCM, Buffalo City Metro, Chris Hani District Municipality, Amathole Municipality. there is someone osemthatha omameleyo KSD or Tambo at this particular moment ukumbana hey singakwazi ufikelela njani thina ni okanye sawuthini. Then there is someone who osejogqaphi omameleyo naye. Are you guys planning to expand as the services zifike Eastern Cape because siyayidinga lento? Are you guys ikhona kwi-books zeni mhlawumbe into yobana we are planning to expand in the next 5?
We are, Tuma, we are. So we have an ongoing partnership with Her Voice Fund.
Okay.
They assist us in implementing our programs with adolescent girls and young women, prioritizing rural community, right? Now, njengoba siyi non-profit organization, asenzi imali.
All right.
So partnership yethu no Her Voice empowers us to be able to do that, to create awareness programs, to tackle the issues we've spoken about, and see organization siyakwazi ukuya eJogabi, siyakwazi ukuya eOR Tambo because kukho this issue, kukho this challenge, and kucelwa size. We are able to design a program and work with them. Siyayenza loo nto. Into ebangela uba sibe currently si-implementa within these municipalities, it's because of capacity and namandla financially.
Oh,
Seso sizathu, not because sicinga no, sibanjwa ngamandla. So with time and with more stakeholders coming on board, sisebenza no health, sisebenza njengoba sisebenza no Her Voice, sisebenza no Vive Healthcare, sisebenza no health,
Okay.
sisebenza with additional leaders, and we welcome all stakeholders. Ukuba unento kwenza nomntu, then yes, you are our stakeholder. We work with everyone, with every community, and siyayibulela inkxaso that we get
Yeah.
from the stakeholders esinazo, from the municipalities esisebenza nayo. We appreciate it because isincedisa ekubeni sikwazi to get to the next level, sikwazi to achieve the goals esinazo. Sinayo i-program ka-2025, our programs
Okay.
with Her Voice Fund, zikhona on our Facebook page, Unolali Concepts, zikhona on our Instagram, Unolali_concepts. I will also share them with you, Tuma, but abaphulaphuli ba welcome to go there and see induba yeyiphi intervention umuntu ayibona induba le speaks to my veins. I would like to be a part of it. And people are welcome to also volunteer their services. Uba umzekelo senza the psychosocial intervention, psychosocial and transition intervention in schools, and you feel like, you know what, I have something valuable that I can share with abantu abatsha, and this platform speaks to my target audience, we are able to open an opportunity for you to come on board. So sisebenza ngolo hlobo.
Oh, that's great. Okay.
That's the
Okay.
plan moving forward. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Unolali. Siyabulela kakhulu sisi ngexesha lakho. This was so very much insightful. Ube nemini emandi ke wethu ne. Ininzi into esisezawuthetha ngayo. I've jotted down points sizawuthetha kodwa. But there's a lot that we need to talk about. Ingakumbi kwi-platforms ezinje. Thank you so much, Sisi.
Thank you for having me, Tuma.
Right, that was
Bye.
Unolali Ngalo. She's a founder and managing director at Unolali Concepts. Namhlanje ke besincokola naye ku Women Are Way to celebrate amanina enza utshintsho in our communities. 10 mizuzu phambi ko 11.